right. Yeah, everybody, welcome back to the stream. It's 2024. We at New York Open. Um, yeah, let's see what happens. I am getting things set up over here. Give me a second.
Let's see what the day brings. Let's see if this. I think this can. I think we can get a full retracement. At the very least, to at least that 9-10 area. Um, that's what I'm shooting for. That's what I'm looking at. And then whatever happens at that area will kind of determine what happens, unless it is not getting rebalanced at this level right here,
Mm.
because it does look like a little rebalance pattern right here at 976. But if the Bulls can shoot past this, which honestly I don't think they should have any trouble doing so. I mean, we made a full drop down. I mean, we took out liquidity. We took out last week's liquidity. So I don't think the Bulls is going to have a problem, at least bringing it back up to the 900s,
What I'm mad
16,900.
what I'm mad about is that they did it last night, overnight. I was expecting this move to happen during today's session. So missed out on all of that juicy short price action. Look at that. That's the NQ I love right there. I've missed you. Baby, I've missed you.
Let's see
But
where we're at.
yeah, I don't know what the volume is right now.
We're at 133. It's not bad.
Yeah, so it's not completely back to normal, but it's not as bad as it's been with like 70K and 50K to start off the morning.
Yeah.
Uh, yeah. How's everybody doing? Hopefully everybody had a safe New Year's Day, New Year's evening, and all of that.
Hopefully, we still have all our fingers and toes. We didn't blow them off.
Yeah, for real. All right, let me see. Ooh, we got a lot of red on this TickStrike right now.
Yeah.
No way they. Dang, this mess is down 19 points already. The gate. Yeah, I think they're done set like man, it extended the move. I was looking for 886 that it would drop down to from because it tried to retest 1730 last night. I think it got up to what 30 36, then dropped. Or no, yeah, that was yep. So 1738, I think was 38 was the high, and then tried to retest again, made it to 36, and then dropped. Epically dropped. I mean, it dropped
Yeah.
55 points on a 15 minute at 5:15 this morning. Like that's crazy. To drop that much in the pre-market, it's nuts.
Yeah. Yeah. So, unfortunately, all that fun happened where everybody was asleep. Hopefully, we can get some of that price action during this open.
Yeah, I hope so too,
Yeah.
because it's just a major key. That was some juicy price action. Everybody was asleep or doing whatever, doing their thing. Now, well, shoot, this is a 33-point drop, but this might double bottom out.
I think so too. I think so too.
Let's get some levels drawn up on here.
So, I guess what I wanted to speak about last week, me and Smith was reviewing some of the footage from last week from the stream, and man, we were calling out some really, really good levels last week. And Smith actually pointed out to me that, man, we got to start trusting in our analysis because, I mean, it's one thing to call it out. It's the second thing to trust it and execute. And in the beginning of the stream, we called out, man, this is not getting up past 106 to 115. I think the high was 107 and it completely dropped. And then we called out that 136 level or that 836 or whatever level that was, or 937, whatever level that was, with a 37 at the end of it. Yeah, we called out 136. It made it to 937 and bounced. I did catch that long on Friday, but one thing that I didn't necessarily like in that execution is that my original target was at 1740, but I got out at 17.6 because I didn't want to give back all those gains and I had to watch it go all the way up to 43 or 52 or something like that. And yeah, not trusting in the analysis, not holding on to it. I mean, I only left about 30 points on the table, but I still left points on the table.
Yeah, and just a quick note from looking at what's going on right now. So we had a pre-market long. The longs came in at 7:15, and I'm looking at this is a 15-minute chart on my trading view, 15-minute increments. They brought it back up to as high as 877, and then once we hit the open, they sold it right back down to the bottom territory, the pre-market lows where we're at now. So in 15 minutes.
Yeah.
So yeah, this candle is down 43 points right now, and you know how I feel about that. I like my shorts. Love my shorts. So not being in this kind of hurts again. Yeah. But it's all good. We're gonna wait. We're gonna be patient today and execute on good moves.
Yep.
That's all we can do, right?
Yep. Execute on the good moves. So we'll see. Ooh.
That's what I said. That's what I was saying. Ooh. Let the Bears eat. 40-point drop. Dang, Ivan, you must have been short pre-market. He caught 200 points. 200 points, my guy. Bears dream right there.
Dude, what the hell, dude?
Bears dream.
What the hell?
You had to have been short pre-market. Yo.
Dang. Like, dude, that's another thing. I just said, unless it rebalances right here, this shit is going to drop. And sure enough, did I take it? No. I did not take that. God damn. All right. Okay. All right. So that was going to be my New Year's resolution this year. Just trusting in it, like just completely trusting in them. I mean, the charts have yet to lie. It's just that for me personally, the NQ is just the NQ. It's just hard to trust her charts. You don't know if she's lying or not.
Trust that she 64 points drop right now. Man, y'all know how I feel about this. I'm flat. I'm not in nothing. Matter of fact, I was just pulling up my other account. We're trading Top Step today. I got my Apex. This is the Apex account up right now, but I will be in Top Step. I've got the evals ready to go, lock and loaded.
Yeah, me too.
Try to get these.
I got my January.
Yep. Ooh. It's like,
oh man,
I want to hop in, but I'm like, this mess dropped 70 points. No way. Like, you need to get in on the reversal and then the next short. Like, bro, chill out. 70 points were down, and we haven't even made it to the first 15 minutes yet. Got less less than 5 minutes. Bears dream right now. They're like, Bulls, where you at? Where you at, Bulls? Y'all, you thought y'all was lurking in the shadows in the alley? Nah, we come out of hibernation right now. About to go long now.
Hey,
Let me look at it. Let me look at it.
yeah, nah. I don't. Nah. I mean, if it's a quick scout, yeah, but
Yeah, I think this has
I
more
wouldn't trust
room. Yeah, I think this got more room to
it.
drop. This got more room to drop, baby. Quick scalps only for if you're trying to go long, at least right now. Ivan didn't hold the long. He chickened out. Hey, I get it. Get it. I get it. Did they raise commissions? Uh-oh. No, I didn't notice that. Well, I haven't taken any positions right now, so I did not.
Who raised commissions?
Got Kim here says Apex Trade of 8 raised commissions. I'm not sure. I haven't I excuse me, have not checked that out. Wow. Yeah, 5 minute it got 15 minute it got more. But I mean, we're down 80 points right now. 80 points.
You know how that goes.
Whew. Oh my gosh. Yeah, unfortunately.
Honestly, let me look at the charts. I think we had a good spot. I think we had a good spot. What? I was about to say, I was like, dude.
You think it's a good spot to long here? Let me pull up. You got
I'm,
book map and everything open?
I do.
Okay.
No. Let me see. This may be a good spot right here to long.
Oh, okay. Ooh, 87 point. I'm gonna let it complete its move. I'm upset. Of course, I'm upset. 93 points in the first. We're not even 15 minutes in yet. We're down 93 points. 94. Ugh. Yes, that's rough for me. I have a
I
hard
mean,
time accepting that.
this could. I'm gonna try to go for like a quick scalp here. 9 point stop.
Quick scout long.
Um, let me see. Let me see.
Yeah, let's be
Let me
patient.
see.
Let's let the move play out. Let's let the move play out. I'm just saying. That's what I'm trying to do right now. I'm mad. Oh, 90 points off rip. Of course that infuriates me. They doubled the
Of course.
commission? Whoa.
You talking about for Apex?
Yeah, risk managers in the chats talking about, is that just for Trade of 8 or is that for, it's probably just for Trade of 8 users though. Or does that affect Rhythmic, Ninja Trader platform users as well? Wow. Those are their
Yeah,
big
no.
changes for 2024. We got PMI today? Hold up.
Do we?
I thought I checked news. And I didn't see anything. Let me double check.
Yeah, let me check too.
Tesla. Uh,
What is today? Tuesday? Yeah, we got PMI actually right now.
no way. Oh shoot, we do. Hey, good call. Good call. Good call, risk manager. Mohammed, shout out. I thought I checked. Well, I checked the news last night and I'm a little tired. I didn't see anything. But yeah, S&P Global US Manufacturing PMI right the heck now. And 47 numbers just came out. Price isn't really reacting off of it. Not that I can see. All right.
Dude, we had that big giant ass drop. I think
Yeah.
that's the reaction.
That was the reaction.
That was the reaction.
That
That
was the
big drop.
reaction. All right, you're right. You're right. Oh, you taking you? Gavin went long here. Hey,
I mean, it's a good long. It's a good long.
hey, I don't know if the move is done yet, though. I do not know if the move is done. I don't know. Kind of, maybe it's almost complete, but no. Okay,
Okay,
okay.
that right there shows me that there. Up there's a
That's the
liquidity
long.
grab. There you go.
That's the
There
long.
you go. That's the long right there.
I
That's the long.
was just about to say. Okay, okay, there we go. That's the
Yeah,
long.
I'm gonna take a. Yeah, I got in.
Got
I'm in
in.
at 63. It's gonna be a tight stop. 10 point stop. 10 points.
You caught the
My stop
bottom?
is at 57. My stop's at 57. You said what? Yeah, once I saw that liquidity, no, that bullish snap, that's all I need to see. That's all I need to see right there.
I'm still flat, y'all. Still flat.
I don't know if anybody was looking at the chart.
Aiming for 16,700 to 1675. Hey, my man Ivan, you still shorting this?
I mean, it could double bottom, but dude, did you measure it? Is that a 300% move already?
I did not measure it.
You gotta measure it, dude. That might be a 300% move.
Let me see. I got it sitting at 125% on my 2000 tick. And this is just going off the lows that was, I think it was pre-market until it snapped it.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, I believe there's more pain, y'all. I do believe there's more pain. Like we might get a little bit more push down before, because it's looking like,
And let's I mean, it could get to 48, man. It could get to 48. I ain't gonna lie. It
I
could.
would say get out and reposition this if you want to
I
continue
mean, it's
going
only a
short.
10 point, man. It's only 10 points, dude. It's like
Only
$200, man.
10 points.
Only 200
Look
bucks.
at this. Ah!
Baby, please come back. Damn. Yeah, this is probably getting to 48. God damn. Ah. All right, maybe
Shoot,
I
I'm
should
supposed to be
have.
pulling up my Top Step account, man. I'm slacking. I just caught a quick scalp. Quick scalp. Let me check commissions on this thing.
All right, man.
$94 already. Yeah, that's I told y'all the move might not be complete. Y'all gotta. Whew, Ivan, my boy, you you still in this short, right? My man Ivan said no. No, I'm staying short. While y'all go long, I'm staying short. Hey, I feel you. Oh my gosh, it's still going. Ah! Had a good position. I got scared and flaked out. It took my profit. I was short at 57. Could have caught 20 points just now.
I catch that falling knife, baby.
Dang.
Nah, go.
Dang.
Dude, no way. No way, dude. No way.
Shoot.
I was like, dude, if this goes long here, I'm gonna be pissed. I was gonna be pissed, dude.
Oh, yeah. Yeah. Jeez. That dropped another 41 points. Okay. We may start to get some bullish action right here. Maybe.
Yeah, it's looking like it, dude. It's looking like this shit about to flip bullish. I better stop me out.
Yeah. I think I gotta set this up.
Dude, wow.
But I'm gonna let the move complete itself first. before and right now, I guess it'll just be scalps for me. Scalps for your boy.
Wow. Okay. Wow. Wow. Nice price action. Nice price action. I mean, we seen this coming. We knew it was coming. We knew it. We knew it. We knew that New Year was coming. You know, all that crazy bullish. Oh my! Look at that! See, oh my God! See, why'd you do this to me?
See,
Why
what
did you
you
do this to
weren't you
me?
in short?
Oh my God! I got out of that. Ah, I thought I was wrong. Oh my God! So I kind of got in the middle of the range. I
Yeah.
got in at 73.35 and pumped up. So I thought I was wrong. I thought I was going to continue to 83. So, you know, I cut my position. And of course, she was like, no, you were right. I was just being, you know, the bitch that I like being sometimes. And she pumps up and then she completely drops. So if I stayed in my position at 73.38 ish,
Mm-hmm.
it would have been, that's a $2 drop. $2.
You're right.
Ah, all right, man. It's not a good start, man. It's really not a good start right now. Yeah, because that shit adds up, man. I wonder if this, I guess start.
Let's see.
All right. So this is why I don't like the NQ sometimes. I mean, yeah, I came in a little bit early.
Mhm.
I got in at what, 62? I mean, I guess I had to rebalance at 734. I guess. I just, dude, all right. All right. I feel like my chart's all over the place right now. And of course, everybody's gonna try to catch this falling knife. Well, not everybody, but you know, the retail want to try to catch this falling knife. Hmm.
Jeez.
All right. So.
Oh, a knife indeed. Jeez, this is one of them days. It's one of them days where you just hop in short and everything just works out. No matter where you at.
Yeah, this is basically Well, don't try to catch this one, fellas, because I apologize, guys and gals. Don't try to catch this one. This is a falling knife, apparently. I guess these little pumps is to induce bulls. I guess the bulls had it last year. Now the Bears came back in with a vengeance. God damn.
Yeah, for real.
And it's hurtful. I'm not gonna lie. As a bear, this is hurtful. This is hurtful as a bear. As a bullish bear, I had to be a bull all last year, or not? Yeah, basically all last year. Let me get this $10 million dump, and I'm not a part of it. Man,
Sheesh.
I'm not a part of it.
Sheesh.
Whatever.
We had 15s on the charts. Well, at what point do y'all buy it back? I knew I should have waited to the move completed. I thought I was being patient.
Oh yeah, it's done. All right, all right. Well,
Dang, the daily's down. Just touched 300 points on daily. Sheesh.
not gonna lie, man. That's so frustrating. I'm not gonna lie, that's frustrating. I guess I should have just stuck to my guns on this one, man. I should have just stuck to the guns. Stuck to the
Very
guns.
frustrating. Very frustrating,
On this,
bro.
especially on the CL trade, man. Dang, well, let me see how much points I would have got if I just. Man, it's like I was thinking about this earlier today. In order to get these big moves, you have to really be okay with drawdown and being patient. You really have to be okay with it because of how the markets move. Yeah, I would have been up a dollar and 92 cents because I was targeting these lows. I was targeting these lows, last week lows, and it would have got hit. But I thought when I took this trade and I closed out of it, I thought, well, maybe it's trying to rebalance higher, probably at 74.42, or at least 73.88, rebalance there.
Yeah.
But obviously it didn't happen. So, and of course, once you close out your long position, that's when it works out. That's when it works out.
Yeah, here come the Bulls back in it.
I know. I freaking know.
Trying to put
Yeah, I didn't trust it. I closed this one out at break even when it came back on me. Of course. Dude, look at that, dude. What the hell? All right. Okay. All right, man. All right. Wow. Wow.
Yeah, that's
Wow.
where I'm at right now.
Wow.
I was just down on that drawdown. I wasn't patient enough.
Wow. Wow, dude. And this thing just gone. All right, man. All right. So
Sheesh.
that was not fun.
That
was not fun. And let's see what happens here. This actually it has to get past this level. For this to continue on, it has to get past this level right here. It's a underbelly of this range. I mean, technically, it has to close above 71.81. That's where it has to close above. because that's the top of that range. But we'll see what happens. Yeah, I think. Yeah, you know what? You know what I'm gonna do?
What's
You know what
that?
I'm gonna do? I'm going to try. I'm going to try.
What are we
I'm
trying?
going to put a short. I'm going to put a short. Hold on. What the hell just happened? Yo, Ninja Trader just did the weirdest thing just now.
What?
I set a limit at 7. Oh, okay, never mind. Hold on. Am I looking at price correctly? I took a short here. I took a short,
I got out of my
and my
long.
stop is going to be my stop's going to be at 90 or 800. I'm just 802 probably. I'm just 802.
19. Oh, bro, that was the spot on my chart too. Is it
What are you
19?
talking about?
Is it 19? No, okay, no, I'm tripping. I'm tripping. It went a little bit further. 10
You know, it always
points.
does
It
that,
got 10 points further down. So I'm coming off that zone. Whew.
dude.
Yeah. Yo, I was down 12K. Came back to only take 2K of that. I didn't wait until the move finished. I hopped in a little early. I had faith that they were gonna buy it back up though. At least a little bit. At least get me a little bit of profit. I had faith and I did have faith in that, but man, was that rough.
Mm-hmm.
Why'd I close it? Cause man, well I set the trailing stops. I set trailing stops, and y'all can't see on this other screen here. I'm trading my top steps evals, and I basically made the same profit with less risk, with way less risk. Yeah, it's almost identical. It's almost identical. let me pull, let me pull it up for y'all to see. Here's my top step accounts. Almost identical profit with way less risk, way better positioning. 2,000, 2,500 basically. This is the top step account. This one I scaled in because I felt like the move was getting ready to be complete. Started 1, 2, 3, caught the very bottom, and then I added in, once it started going up, I added in 4 or 5, and then I trailed it, so it stopped me out. But that's top step. This is Apex. This is where it really counts right now. And sheesh, I was over there playing with fire. Put too much risk on the board. He said, "Why'd I close it?" Yeah, I was just the nerves of that position, being in that position. I was like, take your profit. It don't hurt. It never hurts to take profits.
Yeah, it does.
Never works. It never hurts to take profits. In the it might hurt your ego or your pride, but at least you walk away in the green, right? And that's what I'm
Yeah,
feeling right now. Still
it
in.
hurts when you take profits and it keeps going. That's when it hurts the most.
Yeah.
that
But you still secured some green. That's all at the end of the
makes it. Yeah.
day. At the end of the day, that's all that matters. Your
I
pride,
mean, I
your
mean,
ego can be hurt. All of that. It sucks. It does. We've all been through it, but as long as the goal is walking away in the green. That's the goal. But also, of
you
course,
know,
you want to be right.
yeah, of course. I'm gonna see if price gets. I want to see what price does at 744, 745. I want to see what it does at that level. I might go in for a long there.
740.
Yeah, I might go in for a long there.
Yeah, so I pretty much caught the same gains Here's the apex. And then yeah, I got hella charged in commissions. Over $200 in commissions on 7 trades. I did go heavy though. I went full size. Full size I did. I thought the move was done. Clearly it wasn't. But of course I should have I know this pattern. I've seen it many times before. Takes a little break, gets bought up, then it makes that second leg down to complete
Wow,
the
dude, dude,
move.
dude, dude, dude,
What?
dude, dude.
Order filled.
All right, man. Whatever, man. Whatever. Yeah, I took that short, and my target's at 56. Okay, it's at 56. It's a 20-point base hit, and of course, as it gets a couple of points away from my target, it does that little jump up. I mean, price jumped at 59. My target at 56. You see, all right, okay, all right. These stressful shorts. So I guess the elevator is now on the long side. So, like I said, I want to see what happens at 45-ish, 45-ish, and we'll go from there. Honestly, I wouldn't be. Hopefully, I hope it doesn't happen here before filling my target. But it seems like the 50 EMA is being bought up. So I'm up 18 points. I could just close this, but you know I want my damn target. And I'm at 1 point. Okay, I just got filled. Good job. I just got filled.
Okay. What's going on here? Let me get back to business.
Stop filled.
Damn. I just got stopped out on my freaking other. Oh, what's the minimum?
See, look at that. Look at that, dude. Y'all saw that? Y'all saw I was struck. Okay, I'm going on here, dude. I'm not playing around. 10-point stop. Or actually, I got my entry at. No, let me take this off.
Hold on.
Okay, I'm going in long here. I'm going in long at 54.
Maybe
this is trying to go for another base hit. My stop is underneath. Is at hold on. What account is this? What is this?
Maybe not.
That was the wrong strategy.
Maybe don't try to catch like long points. Maybe just go for little 10 point
Base hit.
scalps. Yeah. At least right now, because we gotta figure out what the heck this price is about to do here.
Mm-hmm.
Let's see. 5 minutes says it wants to go up, but just had that super drop on it. 15 minutes suggests that it could flip here and go up.
I already went long at 54, so I'm already in this. My target is at 81. Target at 81. I already went long for a 20-point base hit. 22 actually, 21 or 22. It's a 90 tick strategy, so whatever 90 ticks divided by 4, whatever the hell that is, I think it's like a 21, 22-point strategy.
Okay.
With a 9-point stop. Usually I adjust it to like maybe 11 just to give myself 2 extra points because you know how the NQ is.
Yeah.
Yeah, so it's a 22, almost 23-point strategy. So that's a base hit for me. And I'm already up about 9-10 points on that one.
Where'd you get in at long? 50?
I got in at 54.
54, okay, 54. Nice, yeah.
I wanted to get in at 45, basically, but it popped up too fast, so I had to hurry to get in.
Yeah.
I'll take the drawdown.
I'm in at 62. Kind of, it's like right in the middle of the flirting with the EMAs and stuff on my charts, so it's kind of bad. But I didn't go super heavy. I just well,
No, yeah, I only got one contract. I got one contract.
super heavy for me would be like full board.
39.25. Yeah, this is going up. This is going up. I think we ultimately test 805. I think we might go a little bit higher. I think we can probably get back up to. Let me see. Let me look at the bottom of that range. We dropped at 822. I mean, price would obviously have to. Yeah, we'll see. We'll see. I'm pretty sure we can probably. Cause that's the. Where's that range at? Yeah, 822, 830 ish. I think the highest this possibly can go is probably 840 ish, if it goes higher from here. I mean, obviously, you can try to double bottom at freaking 734.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, obviously, it can do that, but hopefully it doesn't. That'd be awesome if it doesn't.
Some super friends in the Legion of Doom. Yeah, this 5 minute is like, I don't know, fellas, ladies and gents. I need you to pump up a little bit more, maybe. Just a little bit.
I think we're good here. I think this is good. I think we're good. I think we're good.
You do the RESPECT, my position, and go on up.
Yeah, I think we're good here. I think we're good. We possibly got all the way until yeah, I think my target hit at 81. It should get hit. Yeah, it should
Respect
get
my
hit.
authority. 81? You said, wait, what?
Yeah. My target's at 81.
Oh, 81, 81, 81. I'm gonna set it. I'm gonna keep it P. I'm gonna keep it 100, and I'm setting a trail.
I mean, I'm pretty sure. I mean, yeah, you probably got heavier size than I do. I'm only rocking one contract right now.
I'm in 6, baby. So I gotta. Yeah, man. I gotta keep it 100.
PPG.
Protect myself.
Yeah.
Oh, fudge. Dang, I got out on that one. I closed my apex position. I'm still in 1 on my top step. Yeah. So I'm in 1, averaged out to 49.75, so right below.
Oh yeah.
I might just take this off though, because yeah, I'm taking it off. All right, I'm all out. Baby. 3,100 on top step, 3,500 in apex. I'm trying to hit 4,500, but not really, because I don't want that pressure. I don't want to put that pressure on myself to hit for my top step, because I want to that pass in 2 days that's like that apex behavior. It'll get you caught up if you got that in mind. So I'm kind of not trying to overthink it right now, and just trade what I see. But did you get out of your position, or at least?
I didn't. My stop is at 30.
Don't let it.
4.
You gotta take these. We can't be trying to catch these big moves right now. Well, the big move happened to the downside, obviously.
Or to the short side.
We see that. We
side.
missed that. Okay, we missed that. Now we waiting for the shorts to like really bottom out. Like these longs were just meant for scalps here, honestly. Either scalps. I mean, you could have caught from the very bottom to top. What was that? Where'd that top out at? Can't even see because of this thing. Let's see. 88, 89. So I mean that would have been a good long from the bottom, but who catches the absolute bottom? Sometimes you do. You get lucky.
Sometimes.
Sometimes.
Yeah, I got out of this position. I got out. I'm out.
Okay.
Well, I was up 12 points. I was looking for that 81, but I guess the NQ didn't want to give that to me, so got out. I was only in one contract. I'm only down $200. So, dude, if she bounces here, I'm not gonna lie. I'm gonna be completely pissed, man. Completely.
Yeah. Me too, especially since I just took the short. I think we can get down to maybe 32, 34 if it doesn't keep ripping down. 32, 34. Did it get good enough breather? Let's see. 24. Oh, they trying to buy it back up.
Yeah.
They're trying. They're trying. But will they be successful?
You know what?
35. Liquidity. Oh, they just pushed it down. They just pushed down liquidity. Just pushed it down. It was sitting at 35, 32. Ooh.
Dude. You know
Ooh.
what?
What?
Fine. Fine. Fine.
What? Oh, shoot. Oh, shoot. Maybe on the wrong side. Maybe maybe we need to look for break even right here. This mess looks like it might flip.
Yeah. Dang, like the Bulls are just, dang, where y'all at, dude? Where y'all at? Where the Bulls at?
So we made our money last week, the week prior.
Where y'all at? I needed y'all. Stopped out of this position just for y'all to pump it back up, dude. What the?
Oh shoot. Ah ah.
All right, let me look at this. Let me look at it now. And let me look at where we. Wow, dude. Like, okay. Yeah, we don't even have that much volume for my charts to be chopping like this, man.
Um,
Okay. Yeah, we could see a bounce at 31. We could. Yeah, I mean, if this finds support right here, let me see. If this finds support right here, let's see.
yeah, it looks like it's getting bought up around this area though.
Yeah.
Uh,
Yeah, this can possibly go back up to this can possibly go back up to 831 if it gets bought up here. I mean, that's if it gets bought up. But
I stopped out of my heavier size. I took some risk off. I'm only in 1 ounce short still from 48. And I'm going to just cut that. It's probably still going to go short too, though.
We'll see. Like I think it got to that 732 level. It got to 734, and that's where we saw that bounce. I was thinking 732, but
Look at me.
Man.
Oh, shoot. Yeah, that was bad on my part. Bad. Trying to go for a little scout. Get this. Yeah, oh, wait.
Yeah, I think looking at the price action now, I think we find support here. It's just highly likely we find support right here. And we price rebalances at like 832-ish, 820, 830-ish. And then we're gonna probably get like a double bottom. Yeah, I think that's what happens. Because price has just been going straight down in one direction. And usually it'll make a 300% move, and that's when you'll see a bounce, a rebalance, because obviously price has moved in one direction. It's overextended. And then it'll rebalance, and then if it's meant to continue lower, it will continue lower. Let me see. So I mean, they're sweeping spot calls, man. They're sweeping. So this might be the level right here. I mean, we're seeing it on the NQ. Spot calls are being swept. I think this might be a temporary bottom for right now. It's highly likely. It'll be my assumption.
That level right there. Let's see if it rejects that fib.
Which one? The 21? Yeah, the way it's looking. Yeah, the way it's looking. I mean, this could get to. I mean, we may see a rejection at 800. We may see it, but I highly doubt it. I would highly doubt a 800 rejection. At least 830-ish. At least that's the bottom of that range. I mean, it could also reach all the way back up to 862 because that's the start of that leg down. So that leg right there could be retested. 862. But I do believe that we do get at least like a pullback around that 820-ish level, the 820 level, possibly a double bottom if it breaks. But yeah, I think 862.
Damn, this is probably the double bottom on the 5-minute. Let's see if it holds though.
Yeah.
So that went up 19 points. Yeah. See if the Bulls can hold it. See if the Bulls can hold it. And that's my problem. We're looking for scalps in the wrong direction. Okay, I hit my goal for top step. Hit 4,500. Take some of this off. I short played out. Just had to be a little bit patient. A little bit patient. And then yeah, let's put both of those there for 10. Move that down. All right, all right, all right, all right, all right, fellas. All right, all right. All right, I'm still in one short from 44. We're just gonna put a trail on this and let it ride. It's probably, yeah, it's probably gonna come back up. All right, have it. I'll cancel it. We're all out. We're all out. We're all out. All right, I'm done. I'm done, guys. I'm done. That's too much. Too much anxiety. Enough anxiety for me today. I'm done. Whew. Oh yeah, y'all went.
Yeah, that,
Oh, I was just reading comments. A lot of people went long. I mean,
I mean, this,
I don't
this is a good
blame
spot to
you.
go long here.
Yeah, I don't blame y'all
Good spot.
for whoever went long. Like that looked like this right here. I mean, it's 1,000 tick chart with the hike and Ashi. This looked like here, right here, like it was about to flip and continue running. Obviously, my short was weak positioning, but overall, the trend is obviously still down.
Yeah.
Appreciate it, y'all. Appreciate it. So I got ice in my veins. Something, yeah, yeah. I mean, sometimes you have to. You gotta have that Mamba mentality, that Kobe Bean Bryant mentality. Yeah, I'm done. That's enough anxiety for me today, though. Plus, I got an appointment to get to. So, whew, another 30 points. Like, even on my trading view chart, like that looked like it was getting ready to flip long. Like, let me pull it up, show y'all. So right here we got the signal to go long. I mean, it ran up 19 points. This is the 5 minute chart. This is the 5 minute, and I thought this was gonna be, come down, up, down, and then I thought this was gonna be the launch to go back up for the complete the double bottom here. But no, it just ripped down, flushed another 30 points to the downside right now. Yeah, this is just max pain for Bulls right now. Bears finally get their revenge. Bears stand up. All the
We don't want y'all to be Bears right now. We want to be Bulls. God damn it.
Yeah, that was
You want to be Bulls right now.
yeah, Cass, she called it. That was a fake out double bottom. Yep. Ooh, I'm so glad it was because I was short still. That not gonna lie, that had my heart racing on that when it went up. I'm not even gonna hold you. My heart was like, is this the? Because I'm going off what I see, right? I'm like, oh, is this the double bottom, bro? Is this it? I mean, I think if I was looking at any other chart, so I was trading off 1,000 tick with the hike and Ashi. I mean, still that kind of faked me out right there. That kind of faked me out. I'm not gonna hold you. But if I was looking at any other chart, I'd probably. I think it wants to get down here to this golden fib. 680 is the top of the golden fib to maybe see a little reversal. Or it could just be one of them days where we just keep selling all day. All day. I mean, what did we say last week? They profit taking and rearranging their portfolios. Did we have any earnings today? So I hit the 4,500 in my top step, 45.16, so just barely over. I was up over like by a lot, so I waited for price to get a little bit against me so I could make it as close to 4,500 as possible. That's here. This is the top step one. So I was taking pretty much the same trades in this account as I was in Apex. So super concentration, little scalps, man. Really little scalps, heavier size was the move today for me.
Yeah, I'm just so sad watching
Dang,
watching this
700.
just sell off, man. It's just taking
Bro,
small little losses here and there, and it's just uh, uh,
I'm telling
I
you,
can't catch a bid nowhere.
Order submitted.
like
Order filled.
I was thinking of going short this morning in pre-market at about 3 a.m. I was sitting there, I was up,
Stop filled.
and maybe you should take this short, but I didn't want to babysit the position all night and be up
Order filled.
worrying and be like all this anxiety thinking about this position. I wanted to actually get some sleep. So I was like, no, I'm not going to take the short. I'm not going to take it. But the setup was looking like, man, I need to take this short. But I didn't.
Yeah,
I chose sleep. And if I would have just stuck that out, if I would have got in, man, from the very top before they sold it. I mean, they did work in the pre-market. You know how hard that is for them to do when you want them to do it? They did majority of the work in pre-market, like, just crazy.
Order filled.
Let me see if there's any
yeah, okay.
5,700. I think I might be about to hit the loss in this thing. In this earn to trade account. I just kind of mismanaged this account. But let's see what happens. I got that up here on my Ninja Trader. I want to see 680 at least. 680. Or at least get close to 680. But it might, yeah. 32 points, 16 points. She's been 15,000 tick, just like a little slow stair step down. No real big candles on 1,500 tick.
Let me just look at this damn chart. Like this is getting. Oh my god, man! I'm not gonna lie. My heart is on fire, right? It's
I know.
on fire.
One of the best short days, right? And this mess is down 315 points right now. And it's continuing lower.
My heart is on fire.
Yeah, we missed most of that freaking move. But do they want to hold 700? I think they get ran through.
I think it holds at 681, like you said. I think if it doesn't hold there, then this is going down further. Like it has to hold there. It has to.
Yeah, I mean,
It has to hold there.
I got no other levels outside of like, yeah, I have to check the higher time frame chart because I got nothing else on these smaller time frame charts.
Nope. Nope.
So,
There's nothing else.
yeah.
I mean, we might. It can go. It can. I mean, it can touch 70. I mean, obviously, it can go as far as it wants, obviously, but when it comes to these levels, dude, if it breaks these levels, there's just too much stops underneath them. It's gonna go down further. I mean, if we break that, if we don't bounce at that 627 at the lowest, dude, that's like the lowest. If it does not bounce in that area, we can definitely see 571. We can see 571.
Oh, we're coming into this next zone here on my high time. So we broke 1, 2, 3 zones. We kind of struggle a little bit on that third zone on this high time frame chart, but we're like tapping into this next zone, this next level here from from 680 to basically 695, 700. We'll call it 700, but yeah, we're tapping into that right now. That's the next zone that I have to break. And then if it does, like you said, 640, I can see 640 to yeah, like 620, 728. That's the next big break. Let's see. Oh wow. Let's see what happens, dude. This might be one of them days. One of them days.
Or you just can't catch a bid nowhere.
Yeah.
You got anyone? You got any of them bids?
And then if y'all still want to go lower, like, bruh, down here, maybe, here to here, which is, ooh, that's, man,
Wow.
518,
Wow.
500, like, yeah, that's crazy.
Order filled.
Wow.
I only drew it out. All right, my plan or my trade is working out. And remember, earn to trade. I still got that. I got 15 days on that account, so I'm like, yeah, I ain't even really bothering with it too much. Since I gotta trade 15 freaking days in an eval, they know they need to change that policy. That's foolish. Even Trade Day got with the program on that. They started out at 15 days. They're like, okay, we'll make it.
You're not gonna get away with that.
We'll make it 10. But Earn to Trade been in the business for a while, and they have not budged. They're like, okay, I guess they got educational content and stuff that I never used or checked out. I'm just like, yeah, who are you to show me? But you could always learn something. Always learn something new, for sure. Give me my 26 points. What's 26 points on 5 cards? Man, Ivan, you must be a bear at heart too. You must be a bear at heart. He going for 6. He called it too. He called it in here. I appreciate you guys. Dang, I let that mess come all the way back. But I think this. Shoot. Yeah. What's the low? 695. Might want to just take some profit in here. This might be a slow grind account build. Since I got 15 days. Put the stop above, break even. It's gonna
Stop
me
filled.
out. That stopped out. Okay, that's fine. Let's see. How you doing over there, Sherm? Are you're not in revenge mode, are you?
No, I'm in revenge mode, dude.
No.
I'm just waiting for this intro.
You okay?
I'm just so heated, dude. I'm just so angry.
At least
Man,
yeah, go ahead. Talk it out.
I'm in revenge mode, dude. I'm just waiting for this intro though, because I'm just, you know, you kind of get tired of not following your analysis. And with Top Step, I mean, that's the one thing I appreciate about Apex. I can scout. I mean, scalping ain't hard. I can do that. But with Top Step, you have to be so patient, man. You gotta be patient. Dude, I hate that. I just hate it.
Oh, Yeah.
So because obviously this move is so overextended to the downside, you have to look for a long.
I feel you. Feel you. Like I said, I was catching scalps, caught some scalps to the upside, and caught some to the downside. Didn't really catch a big move like I want, but I can't complain about the results. I mean, like I said, I was scared. I was too early and too heavy, which was a bad trade in the moment. I did. Let me see. Let me look at my chart because I was in. What was I in short at? Uh, was it 50s? Yeah. I was short. Oh, where was that? Where was the move where I was short? It's just kind of like. Oh no, okay. I was long. I was long long at 56, so I had to sit through like 30 points of drawdown. Because I felt like the reversal, so I was just a little bit too early, man. A little bit too early. I was long at 56, overextended, super heavy size at 56. Price dropped down to 719 to hit the low, and then finally shot back up. Set some trails just above my break even at 56, and then of course stop me out, and then it goes higher, right? I mean, that could have been decent, but I should have waited down here. But I thought the move was done down here. It was a fake out, kept going down, and went back up, and yeah, could have caught that short from the 780s. That would have been nice. Rode that all the way down for almost 100 points, 90 points. Um, yeah, I think this is just a trending day down, man. I mean, we may get some pullbacks, but I think overall we're going down. Um,
Yeah.
we're down 319 points on the day right now. Doesn't mean obviously we probably could get a reversal at lunch. You know how they like to do. But that means you just gotta wait. You gotta be patient.
Yeah, and yeah. And it's just I don't know. Today was not a good start for me. Obviously, I got out of a winning CL trade that pissed me off. It just seems like I was missing out on these longs, like the one that's happening right now. Yeah. It's not fun missing these moves. It's not fun at all.
Yeah.
Yeah, like, but then that's why I said like with Top Step. Um, I mean, it makes sense why it's going long here. I mean, this is a high liquidity area. I was thinking it was going to get down to at least 80, but I mean, obviously, she doesn't always do that. So, yeah. She got down to 92 and pumped. So,
Ooh. Hey, Kim in the chat just posted some interesting information. Uh, so said 16,590 is the midpoint for December rally, and 1650 is the 50 simple moving average. Others are lower. If this down move holds into tomorrow, we're in a short-term bear trend, and we can fix all the profiles since November CPI 16,400. That is a bear's dream right there. Another 300 points down from here. 400 points. That's a bear's dream. They coming out of hibernation. Like it's still technically winter. It ain't time to come out of hibernation yet, bears. Shoot. They said, nah, F that. They did us dirty. We were hurting all through since October last year. We was hurting. Market been going up all the way since October. Took a long at 17 or 16,702. Tight stop. Okay. mean, you up. I would take profits. Take profits now, cause yeah, scalps. I mean, of course, I would love to catch the big move, man. That's the dream, right? That's the bear's dream. Like, look at this in pre-market, and I was looking. Okay, where's 3 o'clock at? Where's 3 o'clock? I was looking. So, like I said, I was up at 3. Um, 3. Oh no, that's yeah. Okay, 7:15, 1 a.m., 2 a.m., 2:30. Yeah, at 3 o'clock. So like right here, I was looking like, man, I should probably take this short, but I don't want to babysit a position. Look at this. I was thinking, looked at the charts and I was like, man, I should go short here, right here, literally near the top. But I didn't. I was like, let me get some sleep. And if I would have went in and held that, I would have woke up to like 50 racks, 50, 60 racks. Because you know I would have went full port, baby. And then held through all of it. You know I wasn't going to hold through all that. I'm not even going to hold you. I chicken out sometimes too, most of the time, as you can see right here. But man, that would have been a freaking, I don't know. A bear can dream, Kenny. A bear can dream. Is this the double bottom though?
I think this, like I said, I think this gets to like the 80 before we get like a real bounce.
Yeah. Let's see. Yeah, we were calling at 680. That would have to hold. If not, like, yeah, this thing is breaking down lower. 680. If it can't hold 680, then the next zone I got on here is another 40 points down, 40, 45, 50 points down to like the 620s to 640. Yeah. Let's see. Let's see how it does. Looks like action kind of slowed down a little bit. Okay, I'm glad you took some. That makes me feel better.
Okay. Dude, come on, man. Just get to my level, man. Dang. Get there. And then when you get there, then do all that bullishness when you get there. You don't need none of that bullishness right now.
Okay, so you back in short. Here we are. Here's the break. Here's the make or break right here. Then my dog just farted in his sleep, and then that stinks. Like, I have to kick him out. Stinking A. 26 points, 25 points. Man, I want to hop in with you, but I'm done. I'm not going to push my luck. It's frustrating looking at all this downside action and not taking nothing. Here we are, 80s. We hit the high 80s, pushing for 80, 80, 81. Probably going to bounce there, or it could bounce here, but I think it wants to hit that, complete that move. Book map. Ooh, Mohammed, 10K. That's what's up. That's what's up.
Congratulations, man.
Yes, sir.
Congratulations.
We got to do a.
Congratulations.
Okay, where you short at, Sharon?
I'm not sure yet.
Oh, you didn't short up at in the 700s?
Oh, where we at? No, I said I was trying to go long at 80.
Oh, at 80. We hit 85. Got to bounce. We got to get a bag secured. Got to get a bag secured for Muhammad. He doubled what I made. Being smart and patient. Sir.
Hopefully, it's like it always gets a little murky when you're trying to get a precise sniper entry.
Yeah.
These little bounces, be like, did I miss it?
Yeah.
Is it going without me?
Yeah, I know.
Am I being foolish right now?
I know how you feel. I know how you feel. Maybe, shoot, I don't know. I was gonna say maybe wait to see what it does at the low 80, but then like you said now you get these low bounces.
No, don't do this.
Yeah.
All right, man. All right. See? Oh my, dude. Don't do this. Thank you. Don't do this, man. Don't do this. Don't do this. Don't do this. Thank you. Don't do this. Come back, baby. Come back. Baby, come back.
Baby, come back. You could blame it all on me. I was wrong.
And this is why I don't like trading my top step account in low volume, because you got to be precise. I can't even just jump in wherever the hell I want. I have to be precise. Come on, baby. Come on, baby. Come on, baby. Don't do this. Come back from me. Come. Oh my God. I missed it. Oh my God. You bitch.
It might fall some more. So it might fall some more. Yeah, you missed a little 15, 20, 15 points. But it might still, this trend is still down on, like, look at this 2000 tick chart. It's still trending down.
It's trending down, but dude, we just hit a pocket of, dude,
Yeah.
we just hit a pocket of, dude. What is it? Now it's, okay, fine.
Hey, don't let it, don't let it blind your analysis. Don't let it make you hesitate. Let me just say that, because when you hesitate, that's when things start to go wrong.
Man, it didn't even have to do that, dude. Like it didn't. Oh my God, this toxic bitch, dude. She is so toxic, man. So my entry, I wanted it at 80. It got to 84. And I was sitting there looking at it and like, dude, should I hop in it? Because it's so close. But every point matters, dude. Every point matters.
Yeah, every point. Yeah, that's positioning. Your entries and execution has to be on point. Every point does matter, man. Every point does matter. My goodness.
So 85. Dang, that was a 20-point candle right there, man. 20 points.
Yeah. And those be there. I'm just now catching up on these some of these comments. Ice in your veins. I was down 12K. I mean, that was terrible.
You were down 12K? Yo, that's crazy.
Earlier, yeah. When I went long at 56, I sat through like 30 points of drawdown.
Balls.
17 contracts. No, I just felt that the move was gonna, because it does this when you have an extended move down like that, you're gonna be able to catch a bounce. I was too early. Let's see, I got in at 8:51. Um, the better position would have been at 56. So I was what, 5 minutes early. Then that's my problem. I'll be hopping in too early.
Well, I guess this is it. I guess I missed along.
Muhammad, yeah, hey, you pushing it now. You jump back in.
Hey man, when you high, baby.
Hey, this is the Nasdaq Anonymous. We are here for you. This is the 12-step program. Hey, chill out, bro. Walk, yo, 5-figure days don't come that often. I mean, they happen, of course, but consistent 5-figure days. Hey, take your profits and go get you a drink or something. Go chill. Get you something. 20 contracts, yo. Okay. All right, yo. Okay. You acting like me out here. What? Yo. Yo, you making me nervous and I'm not even in the position. I wasn't even in the position. You making me nervous. Okay. So I'm guessing, yeah, you caught that long. Okay, 20 cons. Sheesh. Oh man. Anyone else? Okay. Anyone else secure the bag? Jeez, scaring me, bro. Oh shoot. Glad you kept it tight though.
Yeah, you know that.
Okay, man. This is painful, man. I don't know if I should take this long here or if I should just wait until entry. I'm not gonna lie, man. Today has just been one of those days. Obviously, the market is going in one direction, but obviously, I want to go long.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, I know it.
Oh my god, I hate CL, man. Dude, what is she doing? That is so.
I didn't even pay attention to her. Yeah, you could have caught the short at 8 o'clock. That would have been a nice little short. But
I did catch it. I just got out of it, man. Damn, I didn't think. Thought I was wrong. Oh. All it takes is one trade, dude, and you be like, man, it is. You try to revenge it in something else. Like,
yeah,
thought I was wrong. Fear of loss, man. Thought I was gonna lose. And then double bottoms here too. You know what? And then NQ, of course she pumps. 4 points away from, bump it. You know what? I know what I need to do right now. I know what I need to do. All right, baby, I'm getting in. Trying to find my way in this.
Man made 17K in the NQ. Let's go. Muhammad was on it today.
Congratulations. Dude.
On it today.
Why it had to be him? It should have been me.
Y'all know that Yu-Gi-Oh meme? It should have been me, not him.
Not him.
That's the funniest thing to me. It should have been me, not him. I love that meme. That is the funniest thing, but nah, congrats.
Yeah.
That is what's up. Hey, now you just playing around now. You just playing now. You hop back in. Dude. Hey, I know when someone's on drugs when I see it, because I've been high on the NQ plenty of times. We need an intervention. Take your profits and walk away. Shut down your computer right now.
Get the piss out.
Yo, I've seen this before. Please, I'm begging you. Back in.
Oh, dude.
Longer short. I understand it's house money, but bro, you longer short. I hope you went long. Yeah, gain weight. You're right. The price action does feel kind of weak for shorts. Like the bulls are slowly trying to buy this back up.
I just back up.
Yeah, on the 5 minute. Man, we missed our. Okay, you long. Okay, Muhammad's back in long from 698 and up about 17, about to be like 20 points. Nice.
Yeah.
Way to play it. Way to play it. It's like, man, we said 680 and it goes to 685. She is
A bitch. And she does that for no reason.
She could have hit this zone right here and just then ripped. Like what? And that's what makes you that brings out the trust issues. That brings out the trust issues for real. Oh my gosh. She ain't have to do that. She could have played nice and said boop, then ran up.
Mm-hmm. I mean, she still has an opportunity to be the bitch that she truly is. I mean, she definitely still has the opportunity. Okay, man. Ah, man. Man. Man.
Man, my man gained weight, went along, average in at 700, nice. So you're in profit. I don't like this area right now, this 720 area. I do not like it. It's on this chart that y'all, this 1,000 tick chart. It's too many wicks right here and not any. Yeah, you might want to get out and take your profits, but hey,
I mean, it bounced off of a key level.
it did. But I'm just saying, I don't like this. Yeah, okay, there we go. Finally. Now I'd be more comfortable. After that little push right there. Because I didn't like that 17 to 20 range.
I think this gets all the way to 748, 750-ish. I think that's where we at. And you know what? This is why the NQ is who she is. This is why she's who she is, man. She could have easily hit my damn limit at 80. And she got all the way down to 85. 85. Okay. Yeah, and that's what I was talking about. I didn't know if I was like, man, should I take it since it's so close? It's usually, from my experience, I feel like them sniper entries, I mean, they happen every once in a while. But if you eat drawdown, then you're usually, at least you're in the position. If you try to be precise with it, you'll miss it by a couple of ticks.
Yeah.
In this case, I missed it by 4 points. Um, 28. The real question is, no, I mean, I think this will be, the price gets to, you know what I'm going to do? The price gets to 17, 13. I'm going to buy in. I'm going to buy in right here. I'm going to buy in one contract, 10-point stop. I'm not playing this game anymore. Of course, it's going to bounce at 15. Of course, dude. Of course, it bounces at 15. Of course, dude. Oh man. Oh my God. Thank you. Stop doing this. Of course. Of course. Of course. Yeah, I don't know, risk managers. I'm trying to be as strategic as possible. I keep getting my limits missed by a couple of points. This is why Apex. This is why I love trading Apex on the eval side. I'm free from all the precision entries. I can gamble. I can get points with smaller moves. But I know in the long term that's just not sustainable.
Yeah.
Oh, dude, you know what? Now, oh my God, dude. Oh my God. This thing got all the way down to 717. So it missed me again by 4 points. Should I get in this?
I'm in at 27, so I think it at least goes to 740.
Yeah, I think so too. That's why I was trying to get in a good entry at 17 or 20 or 15. Dude, dude, I ain't gonna lie, this is a dangerous long right out there here. This is dangerous if I take it.
I mean,
it is dangerous.
It is. Like I said, I'm in at 727. It's coming back on me right now.
This is a dangerous long. All right, man. If it comes back to 20, if it comes back to 20. And the reason why I'm confident in this long is because we bounced off that key level at 80. That was a key level.
Mm-hmm.
Well, we technically bounced off the damn thing.
Yeah, just above it.
Okay. All right, man. You know what? They said scare money don't make money, right?
That's true.
Man, that's the highs, man. That's the highs, dude. Oh, dude, that's the highs. Oh, no, this is
Hey, I hopped in the long at 27.
Dude.
I'm up. I hopped in 3 cons. I'm not. I wanted to go full port, but I did want to put some meaningful size on it. But let's see. I'm just waiting to see what happens. I wanted 740. Looks like we might blow that.
Yeah.
I'm gonna put,
We may.
I gotta put some protection on it just to protect the gains that I've secured today so far.
All right, man.
I want to see a straight moonshot, baby.
There we go, baby.
Moonshot,
there we go, baby.
baby.
There we go. There we go.
Keep the
There we go. Okay. All right.
Moonshot, baby. Moonshot. Let's go to the moon.
Come on, baby. Come on. No, don't stop, baby. Don't stop, baby.
Can't stop.
Don't
Won't
stop until you reach the top.
Don't
stop until you reach the top.
Can't stop. Won't stop.
So don't stop till you reach the top. Don't stop till you reach the top.
Let's go, logs. Let's go, logs. Can't stop. Won't stop.
Nah, fuck that, man. You're not gonna play me like that. I'm taking this, man. I'm not
surviving Diddy gonna go crazy.
Don't stop until you reach the top. I think this can get to 76. I mean, we're up this high. This can probably get to 76. This is basically a 100-point move if this finishes. This is basically a 100-point move. 57.
Oh, wow.
This was basically a 100-point move. This wasn't a 100-point move, guys. At the bottom. We missed it.
Wow.
Oh, my. Well, I had to get in. I missed my entry.
Oh, that's point of control.
Wow,
Stop that point of control right there. Wow.
You know what? No. Fine. This gonna keep going, baby. I'm going to 68, baby. I need this win, baby. I need this win, baby. Keep on going, baby.
Don't stop till you get it up. Come on. To the force.
Don't
Don't
stop
stop.
until you reach the
Don't
top.
stop till you get it
Don't
up.
stop
Come
till you
on.
reach the top.
To the force. Don't stop. I
Don't
got
stop
stopped
till you reach
out.
the top.
7K, hey. 7K for me. Y'all got some. Hey, you said I got they got bigger cojones than me. Shoot. They went in like 20 cons, 30, like I can't even most I could do in this Apex is 17. And on 3 accounts. And
I think Apex just had an 80% sale.
80% sale, fellas. Yeah, it's in the description. Ladies and gents, 80% sale. If y'all wanna I went back in 20K, y'all. Yeah, y'all the big steppers right now. Big steppers. 20K. Hey, y'all deserve bag secure. Are you gonna secure the bag though? Are you going to secure the bag? That's the question. You gonna walk away with that 20K, or you gonna give it all back, or give some of it back?
All right, we'll see. We'll see if this keeps pumping up. I got my target at 67, but I mean, I'm gonna look at this high right here, man. I'm gonna look at this high at
Put it at 60.
at 59.
Put it. Yeah. I'm just took a glance at the chart.
Yeah. So basically,
Bro. Protect
okay.
the profits.
Okay.
You could always reposition.
Yeah, I kind of.
Protect the profits.
Damn, dude. Damn. When I say okay, that's when it drops. Oh my god, dude. When I say okay, that's when it drops. Why is she doing this to me today? I don't deserve any of this.
Bag secured for gained weight and Muhammad. They're beasts out here. 20K plus days. Major supply at 760, 65. Ooh. Cash.
Yeah, look at that drop.
Yeah.
Watch the shower.
Yep.
Let me take off this limit. You don't want this limit to fill.
Oh, I'm doing all this, and like I said, I got time in this account, so I ain't worried. 20K days for y'all too, yo, and that's your personal account too, bro. Nice. That's what I'm talking about. That's the goals right there. But I be getting once I see that's why I don't like trading P&L because I look at that and be like, man, I'm right there. Then I make stupid decisions. I go in super heavy just to make $300. I put on all that risk. It's the $300 curse for us.
Curse.
Yeah.
$300 curse.
$300 curse. It's an inside thing. Every time we were like $300 away, from our targets,
From passing the eval.
from passing, we would always end up losing, giving money back for $300.
Hey man, that $300 is important.
It is, but yeah. So y'all following along? I secured the bag for Top Step. Here's the Top Step account. I was trading it on my other monitor here. Basically took the same entries, a little bit better entries on my Top Step account, honestly, than my Apex. Yeah, my entries were slightly better on Top Step. This was a big play. Caught 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 cons. I set a trail, got stopped out, and went long here for 5, long here for 1. Yeah, just little scalps. I didn't catch no big moves, and that's, I mean, it is what it is though. Yeah.
We are at this level. For some reason, my mind wanted to push past this level of resistance.
Yeah, and then
hopefully, I'm not giving up.
Yeah,
Point.
don't
Hopefully I'm not
don't.
coming back.
Yeah. I was about to say, just don't. This is a resistance level. And then look at
Yeah, it
ES
is.
charts. ES charts is just consolidating right now.
Is it?
Yeah, it's in a little consolidation range right now. I mean, it could push 60, 65 and
Yeah.
then drop though. So just be cautious, okay?
Yeah. Cautious. Yeah.
Yeah,
Cautious. Cautious.
be cautious.
Cautious. Be cautious.
Be aware.
Don't worry.
Be aware of your
Be
surroundings.
cautious.
Yeah.
Ah, please, baby. Please, baby.
See, yeah,
Please, baby. You don't need to drop.
look at CL, that B.
I don't want to look at her, man. Did she drop? She dropped some more.
She's at 71. She hit 70. 96. And then NG.
Ah.
NG, you gotta be married to NG, but yeah, that would have been a good short on natural gas. But I barely pay attention to her.
Ah, please, baby. Please, don't do this.
Where's
Don't
your
do
where's
this.
your where's your
Don't.
entry? Where's your break even?
So, right now on NinjaTrader, because I took profits and I'm in a running contract, my break even jumped all the way up to 430, 43. My break even is at 43.
Hey,
It says what?
don't compare profits, bro.
Are.
1K
It's just
1K is still good. Do not compare profits because that's what messes you up in the head and causes you to do reckless things. Think of it like this. You made 1K in a day. 1K in a day. Most people struggling to make that in a week, 2 weeks. Like you have to look at don't compare because when you start comparing profits and stuff with other people, like I said, that's what messes you up and causes you to do reckless things. Stick to your system. Once you get comfortable, moving up heavy size, you put on heavy size. When you're ready, when you get comfortable, and that's just what it is.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, what job you making $1,000 a day? There's only a few that I know, and you gotta do like crazy things. Like from my field specifically, you gotta be gone away from your family for months at a time. Don't feel bad making one. You should never feel bad making any profit, but don't feel bad making 1K. I'm gonna throw in a bag secured. Hey, that is a bag, and as long as you don't give it back, yeah, that's a bag secured. Trust me. I started out doing. I would do small, like 1 to 2 contract scalps. I would maybe take about 5 to 10 trades to try to get anywhere between $500 to $1,000 a day. And I would do that consistently for a while. Then I felt, I got comfortable enough to put on and hold more size. It's just all about time in the market. Put that screen time in and your comfortability. You start to get comfortable with, adding that size in. But don't never feel bad. Don't ever compare profits with other traders. I know it can be enticing. You see people on IG and stuff making like 20K, 50K, 100 plus K, and you're like, man, I should be able to do that. And one day, if you stick with it long enough, one day you will get there. We all will get there. You stick with it long enough. But yeah, don't compare profits, bro. Because that's the way to mess up your mental and get you, cause you to do all types of reckless things. So yeah. Yeah, like Cass said, $200 in 30 minutes. Like you don't understand, like, because that's what I had to do. I had to compare it. Like back in the day when I first started trading, I'm like, man, yeah, yeah. Back in the day when I was trading, I was just looking like, man, if I could make $500 a day, that would be good because that's $500 a day is 120K a year. $500. And I was thinking like, okay, if I double that, then I'm making 200. You do that consistently every day for a trading year, $500 a day is really all you need to walk away with 100K. Now, obviously, you're gonna take profits and stuff here and there and withdrawals and all that. So my mindset was, okay, if I could make $1,000 a day consistently or average out to $1,000 a day, that's 220 something K a year. I forget the exact number, but it's over 200K. The hard part is being consistent, making 5-figure plus days, and that's the hard part. But I can be consistent making $1,000 a day. I can do that. I just choose, it's the Nasdaq 100, Nasdaq Anonymous, baby. It's a drug. It is a drug. So I'll be trying to go, to a fault, trying to go big sometimes. But when I lock back in and recalibrate, refocus, regroup, then if you think about it in those terms, man, you'd be straight.
It is definitely a drug, man. It allows you to believe that risking $1,000 just to make an extra $300 makes sense. That is a drug.
Yeah, yeah. So on the charts, this level, I would cut the position right now. If it was just me, it's not worth it. Yeah, we could get a push up, we could get a push down right here, but 160. I mean, not 760. They got 58 orders on the books. They got high liquidity up above. Yeah, 60 to 61 range, anywhere from 50 to 100 orders. I would get out, maybe reposition, or if you're still looking for the longs, or maybe go short. I would go probably short if we hit above the 760, but it's not looking, to me, it's just not looking good right now at the moment.
Yeah.
In the moment. That could change, obviously. That could change. Matter of fact, the 5 minute still looks promising for more upside, but I don't like this. I don't like this effort by the Bears if you're trying to go long right now. And then I'm on 5 minute, it's at point of control on trading view. Point of control, it's at point of control at 750 on book map. Yeah, I don't like I always tend to have entries around point of control, and that's always like a 50-50 gamble. I hate that.
Yeah, me too.
I'd rather be on one extreme side or the other and just letting it ride. But let's see.
Well, I mean, the buyers are trying to buy this off of the 21, so we'll see what they are able to do.
Yeah,
You know what I haven't
see.
looked at? I haven't looked at the higher time frames. I've kind of been on this lower time frame. I haven't looked at the higher time frame at all and seeing like where this could get to. Because I mean, I don't like last week. Like I said, man, I cut a good position. And just watched it. Damn it! Can this get to 8? Can this get back to 815? 878? Can it get there? Can this get to 791? You know what? Can this get to 871?
I hate that I took so much commissions to make 7K. So when did they should have announced that or something. Did they announce that? They were changing up
They probably
commissions?
did. They probably did it so you couldn't hear it. They said it in a meeting. Oh yeah, we're raising commissions. Hopefully the traders heard it. That's why I said it. Like $1 million trader, yo. You can tell that. I mean, yeah, if you operate within their system, it works beautifully until you get a trader that is that outlier that operates outside of the system and takes them for the house money
Yeah.
all at one time. And
Yeah.
yeah, you can see it like they're raising prices. They did the 1 day past eval things, half price resets. Yeah,
It's a casino, man.
they're just trying to get that money back, man.
Yep. Everybody's waiting on that 90% strike, and then they only did this 80% for the next 2-3 days, so it expires on the 4th. So I wonder what they probably gonna go back to 50% for a little while after this 80%, and then it's like, man,
I doubt it. I mean, you got to think like, yeah, you'll have people like they make their money if people buy 20 accounts. That's how Apex makes their money.
Yeah.
Dude, no one is not gonna buy an Apex account at $50 because of that trailing drawdown, and they know that. They would never do a 50% sale, and if they do, it wouldn't last too long. It would have to be coupled with like a 80% off reset or something like that.
Well, yeah, 50%'s been Apex's bread and butter. Like that's basically their set prices. They advertise, and that's how they get you. They advertise a high, like say 150K account is like $300 something or whatever, and then they get you, they get you with the 50% on that. And let me check for all my so 297 for Ninja. My TradeAbate users is a little bit more expensive, 317 for TradeAbate users. So 50%, you paying like a little over 150 on that, or about 150 depending on which platform you choose. That's not really, but that's their 50% is like their standard price. And then, they always do these deals. But this one, for some reason, is like a flash 80% deal. You see they haven't gone to that 90 in a while. They try to recoup some profits. They be like, man, we have too many profitable traders that we got to pay out. Oh, and I did put in that request to get my money. I forgot to do it yesterday. I was like, bro, I'm tripping. I forgot to put in my request, but I did it this morning. I did put in that request to get my money.
I guess if this breaks this, I mean, it has to get to. We'll see what happens, man. We'll see what happens. Because I think this can get to 84. So I'm gonna scale out of my position I'm gonna scale out one right here around like 67. I'm gonna scale out one. I think this gets to 84. And so this is the in my opinion, so like with Top Step, yeah, I understand with more contracts, smaller points, but my personality type, I kind of want the whole move. And I have to work my way up because if I have two contracts, I want both contracts hitting both at the same price. I don't like scaling in and scaling out. I don't like that. But this year I probably will start like I'll probably have like a long position and then scale in one contract with a 22-point base hit, 11-point stop. So I think that's like 1 to 2. I'm gonna just implement that strategy. That's actually what I'm kind of doing now. Yeah, I kind of figured it would. Look at that. So my target got hit, so I'm out one. Now I'm shooting for 84, depending on what it does right here, honestly. Because this level needs to break.
Yeah, watch out. I was gonna say, watch out for the 80s.
Actually, no. Actually, let me. I'm gonna trail this. I'm gonna put my stop at 60. At 64, I'm gonna trail this because I see that 200 moving average right there. Okay, so I'm out. I'm completely out.
Okay.
I'm completely out of this. So I was able to make 2K in the account today. Man, that win, dude. I waited patiently for this. I will be doing a daily recap on this.
Yeah.
my God, dude. Like, man, I was down with that drop. I was down like 400 or 500 points because I was trying to catch that bottom.
Yeah.
And then when it missed my target at 84, oh man, I was like, dude, let me
Order
just jump into
submitted.
this
Order
and
filled.
then just eat the drawdown if I have to. And then obviously it pumped up. It did retrace. And I did see where it was the 21 and the 50 was kissing, so I did scale in an additional contract right there. That target got hit. I scaled in again. I mean, you'll see all this. I
Yeah.
was like, dude, I can't have my first recap video as a freaking loss, and this is a brand new account for Top Step specifically for this daily recast I'm doing.
Yeah.
And I was like, man, I can't do my first day with a loss. But if that's what's going to happen, that's what would happen. But I was able to bring back that $500 loss, and so now I'm up 2K. I think I'm going to be done. I'm done. I'm done with this account today. I'm done. I'm done. And I know you got to go on an appointment, so
Yeah, I do. Yeah, so to answer your question real quick, Mohammed, I do have my own personal account that I'm slowly building up, but I just want to trade these prop firms, man. I feel like, especially Apex. Apex owes me a lot of money. I've spent thousands of dollars on Apex over the years. Over the years. So Apex owes me. I forgot to mention, so I forgot to cancel the freaking Take Profit Trader accounts that I had. So basically, I gotta trade those now, the evals in those. Um, I'll probably look for like pre-market trades on those because I don't feel like dealing with them during the day. But so if I pass those and get funded, good job, you know. But if not, if I blow them, then I'll just cancel for good this time because I forgot to cancel them. So I'm like, if I paid for it, I might as well trade it since I already paid for it. Um. So yeah, I got that.
Stop filled.
Damn. And yeah, I don't like the new rules in Take Profit on the funded side. Um.
dude, I'm so mad, man. Look at this CL trade just working. Oh my God, dude, man. Oh my God. Oh my God, my entry at 73.38. That's like a $3 drop. Oh, $3 drop. I mean, I was gonna target those lows, but because I know if those lows got ran, this was gonna go down further. But man, look at this CL trade go, and I'm not a part of it. I'm not a part of it.
Oh, it's a
Ah,
drop. Ooh, yeah.
oh
Ooh.
man, I think this gets all the way down to at least, dude, that's a $3 drop. I think we get down to at least 70-30, 70-32. I think we at least get there. Oh man, oh dude, oh, ah, wow. Yeah. Well, you know, next time I guess I should just believe in the trade. Believe in the trade next time.
Yeah.
Look at that. Look at that move, man. Look at that freaking move. But yeah, I think we get all the way down to 30-ish, 70-30. We'll see. Ooh, good thing I got out of that. Oh God, good thing I got out of that trade.
Alfred, yeah, Alfred said he's trying to. That happens all. Why when you try to lose money? Like I've done that, especially with the Top Step evals now, right? When you try to lose money, you end up making money. And you don't even try. You're trying to lose, and you end up making more money. I hate when
Yeah,
that
isn't that
happens.
crazy?
I'm like,
Yeah,
I
that's
didn't even
crazy.
plan this trade out. I just click the button, and I end up making money. I hate that. I hate that so much.
89. You know what? I'm gonna get in at 60. I'm getting at what is that? 89. I'm getting it at 69.90. 69.96. That's what I'm getting at for a long on CL. That's what I'm getting at.
Oh, y'all. Yeah, that's right. I did hear about that. Muhammad just mentioned it. Top Step having a fire drill reset tomorrow.
No, is it? Or do they?
Yeah. If you need a reset, I'd wait until tomorrow. Hopefully, hopefully, opposite. When I want to make money, it's the opposite. Yes, true. Hopefully they send it out to our emails and not because last time it was limited to like 3,000 people. You know that mess got used up so quick. So if you missed it, you just missed it, which sucks. Yeah.
Yeah, that's what I'm going on there. Yeah, that's a good spot to go on. 69.96. I'm watching it hit like 97 or something and just drop. Or just pump. All right, so I was gonna stay in this NQ trade until 80, and wow.
It pushed
Well,
70.
look at
Yeah,
that.
71.
Honestly, I think this goes all the way up to 815, 810-ish. I think this is where this goes, man. Yeah, I think this goes up to 8. You know what? I guess I will be kind of mad if I go. Oh no, I'm out the long. I can't jump in this. This is not Apex.
What's today? Tuesday? Yeah. Oh, Moxie mentioned that. My bad, Moxie. Yeah.
Okay, so let me go into like a practice account or something and take this trade and get this fixed. Let's see what happens. I think I'm gonna go short here, even though. And let's see if I go short. Let's see if the NQ is gonna fade me. I mean, let's see.
Some super fans.
I think this gets to 815 though. I really do. Or sometime, if not today, later today or tomorrow, this gets to 815.
Oh yeah, y'all be doing those quizzes, those Top Step quizzes.
They don't tell you who wins anymore, and I don't trust that. I don't trust that. They don't tell you who wins. Like there was accountability before. Now it's okay. Did I win? Did I not win? I mean, what's going on? Because it's supposed to be like a random drawing, and yeah, they don't show that part anymore. So that to me, yeah, no bueno. I guess they got tired of people. I guess they got tired of people hitting them up like, "Yo, where the hell is my damn my reset at?" I guess they got tired of that.
Mm-hmm. Didn't you say you did the quiz though? Did you win?
No, I never won. I did not win. I mean, you can make if you make 3 to 4 questions right, you can enter it into a chance to win.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, I just wasn't. I wasn't chosen or randomly chosen. But I did play the game. But then when they stopped actually showing the winners,
Mm-hmm.
because you don't know. I mean, you don't know, and there's no accountability there.
Dang.
Yeah, I want to short. I took this short in the sim. Let's see. Like this is market structure. Obviously, my mind is telling me that this is going up higher, which it can. But right now, we're at market structure. Let's see if the Bears take this short and takes it down to at least 728 or something, 715-ish. I think if price gets back down to 715, 717, this can go higher because it'll be a classic head and shoulders pattern. But this area needs to be rebalanced first. So I took this in a practice account. I'm not going to give up my 2K of games today. I'm not giving that back up. And it would just be foolish if I do a recap and was like, yeah, I was up 2K. And I went back in and gave it all back.
Yeah. Um,
Yeah, I think this is going up. What do you think?
which you in short, you took the short and the sim in what? NQ or CL?
No, NQ.
Okay,
Get me dirty.
CL,
Get
man.
me dirty. Get me dirty, man.
Who trade? Anybody trade gold? Anybody? We got any gold traders in the chat? I mean, I know this is Nasdaq anonymous, but
I mean, we got side pieces in here.
we got our side
We
pieces.
got our side.
We all got our
side pieces in here.
we all got our side chicks.
We just don't tell NQ about it.
Yeah, you can't tell NQ. Oh goodness, no! Don't tell NQ. She finds out. Yeah, it is a wrap.
Yeah, I'm looking at gold right now. This looks like it's gonna probably drop. Yeah, it's like it's gonna drop, dude. Like, so we got a drop. It ranged out, dropped, popped back up. I mean, it looks like it can possibly double bottom at 2064, or if it stops at 2068 and 88 cents, I can see it go up higher, or I can see it double bottoming at 2064.38. I can see that. I can see that because I mean, if you look to the left on gold, it's already it's kind of already double bottom at this level anyway. It took out all that liquidity underneath 2067. It took out all that liquidity, and then it's pumped up since then, and it's now at the underbelly of that range that it created before. So it would need to break 2080, close above it, come back down and retest to go up higher to take that liquidity at 20. I think right here. I think it can get to 2085. 2084, 2085, 2084, 2085, that area.
Yeah, I mean, I tried being a gold trader, but I'll say this. I didn't give it a fair shot. I will say that. I didn't give it a fair shake trading gold, but I did look at it though. I did look into gold just because you see all these people talking about it and making all this money trading. What is it, $5 a tick?
No, dude, it's like CL. It's $10 a tick.
Oh, is it 10?
Or 10 cents, 10 cents. Or it's a damn. Hold on, what is CL again? I forgot. I think it's 10 cent. I think it's 10 cent a point. I believe. I think every point is like every tick is 10 cents. I believe, if I'm not mistaken. Yeah, I think every tick is 10 points or 10 cents.
Right.
Yeah, it's 10 cents. It's 10 cents. 10 cents. Yeah.
20. So.
I mean that's what kind of dude did she bounce at my level? Look at it. Wow, dude. CL bounced at 733. She bounced 30.
She bounced 33 cents.
At 733. I called that. And she bounced 33 cents from that.
Q. Alright, gain weight. Still holding this position. Where were you? Where were you long at? Was he long the bottom? Or long 700, I think? Holding through all that? Sheesh.
Dude, I'm so angry. Oh my god. It just hit my runner target. And I got out of it. I hit my running target just now. Oh. Mm. 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 Well, we broke above that level.
750 to 780, caught that 30 points. Nice. Yeah, it's too scary to go long up here for me. Even though I know it could still rip, it could still run, but for me personally, it's just too scary. I'd have to.
I mean, we got.
If I went long, it would be scalps for me. I wouldn't be holding nothing past this. My personal.
I mean,
opinion.
we're reaching a structure high at 89.
Yeah, because we had that previous high around here clock that was 89.
Yeah. Yeah. So we'll see. It might actually just drop here, but I had a target at 81 and I closed out at a measly at 68. So I left what 12, 13 points on the damn table, dude.
I mean, usually, yeah, it could run to VWAP, but VWAP's been falling short lately, especially on the. Was it on this side? I can't remember. Or was it on the sell side? One of the sides it was falling short of VWAP, and I'm just like, time to deal with that. It could run to VWAP,
I mean,
but yeah, I don't know. I'm done for the day anyway. I'm just letting y'all talk it out. We had some people crush it today, for sure.
Yeah.
Y'all are crushing it. Yeah, y'all been killing it. What can I say? The risk manager's been killing it. I'm looking at Bookmap. Okay. Wheelan made 9K. Nice.
I mean, just imagine being on the right side.
Oh my god. I'm just kicking I know I shouldn't because the past is the past, but I literally was up at 3 a.m. I was up. I just happened to wake up. I looked at the charts and I said, man, I should go short. I should take this short, but I did not want, because it's a little sidebar. I was watching the freaking Washington versus Texas game. That mess was epic. Crazy finish. I was like, is Washington going to get his mess up for any of my college football fans out there? The Michigan game was kind of, it got good towards the end, but that Washington-Texas game, I was like, ain't no way Texas going to come back and win. But that didn't finish till and then I was watching, Sports Center afterwards, so I was up at midnight anyway. And then, come to the charts at 3 o'clock, and I was like, dude, I should take this short. I should do it. I should take this. It failed because I was looking at it. I'm like, it failed to break above 1732, which last week was the area where I went long and it shorted. It failed to break above that. And I looked at the structure. I was like, man, I should take it, but I didn't because I'm like, I'm going to go to sleep. And if I would have took that short pre-market, I'd have woke up in so much joy and then just rode it all the way down to the bottom. Can you imagine that? But, I mean, woulda, coulda, shoulda, right? Maybe next time.
Yeah. So, yeah. I mean, like I said, me and Smith had the same story, man. I looked at it and I was gonna go in short, and I looked at it when it opened. I was like, dude, I don't think this is going past this.
Yeah.
I don't think so. I was like, man, let me just put a short on and just at least just one contract, just see what happens. Just see what happens.
At least one. Yeah.
But you already know how that goes. You don't put just one on. You just don't put just one on. Because, you put one on, you wake up. I was like, oh, God dang it.
Yeah. You be down 2K on one contract. Like, man, what the heck?
Yeah, so. This year, like I said, man, I really want to trust the charts this year wholeheartedly. I do trust the charts. It's just NQ with her whip up back and forth. I mean, you can be right, but you have to be right at the right time, and that requires a lot of patience. I do find myself getting into trades earlier than expected because of foresight or my perceived foresight, and just taking unnecessary drawdown and then trying to scale in and stuff like that. Mm. Like I should have stuck. Like I said, I should have stuck and kept this 781 target. I lost 13 points. 13 points is what, $260 or something like that. 260. I missed out on 260 points. But in the moment, I mean, I taking the profits at 68 was the best thing. But because if it went down, I would have been risking more than 360 points. But obviously, in the moment, and after the high comes down, it's like, damn, I should have stayed in for the extra 13 damn points. But I still believe that this goes up to 815 in that area.
Yeah. Alfred said he had 2 contracts long, went to sleep, it rejected 2 points below his take profit. Ugh, that's the worst. Woke up in the red. That's the worst. That is the worst, man.
Did he get out the position or?
I'm pretty
happened to
sure.
it?
I don't know. I'm pretty
I
sure
mean, we
he
all
got
know
out.
what happened, but we're hoping that he got out.
Yeah, I'm pretty sure he got out of the
Hopefully
position. I hope he got out of the position.
he didn't go out.
2 contracts, and with that big of a
Yeah,
drop pre-market, yeah, that's. Whew.
yeah. I knew last week lows was not going to hold. I just knew it was not going to hold, and that's when I looked at my charts. I thought all this was going to happen, and on New York session because of the low volume, and we was going to look such like geniuses because like, yeah,
Right,
that's not going to hold. We're going short.
right. I really thought that this pre-market move, all this selling off, I thought it was gonna happen. I mean, it did. It continued down, but I thought this big main move that happened in pre-market, I thought it was gonna happen during the New York session. I thought it was gonna maybe consolidate around here until we got to open, New York open, and then boom, just flush. But okay. He said he got out, went short, and recovered. That's good. That's good.
You know, honestly, I'm debating. I'm debating at this level right here. I'm debating if I should take it long here with a 10-point stop, risking $200 to make 5. I'm thinking about it. I'm totally debating making the $200 here. All right, risking $200 to make 5. Because I really do believe we get to at least VWAP at, but 815.
VWAP, yeah, VWAP touch would be nice, and then a rejection would be real nice.
But on the higher time frame, it does look like it wants to come down. So what? So I guess what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna pay attention. I'm not gonna go long here and be a degenerate and go long here. I'm actually going to go short because I feel that the market is going to respect market structure, and those bears that took it down at this level before, they're going to take it down again. I think that maybe an entry at 746, at 746, 742 entry long to reach that 800 level. I think that's the play. I think that's the play right there. That's the play.
40,
I'm gonna set a limit there actually.
Okay,
I'm actually I'm gonna set a limit at 746.
Got a bag secured for Alfred over here. Was down 2K, came back to finish up 11. I like it. That's what's up. That's what we like to see.
Damn, and this is in your personal account?
Well, we don't like to see being down, but that's what we like to see.
Yeah.
The recovery part. Made it back.
Yeah.
I'm not sure which account. I think he trades Top Step.
That's good.
Ooh, you almost hit that DLL. If that was the case, well, if you trade in the 150K account, yeah, that 3K DLL. I'm really like them for that because so many times have I blown an account holding on to a position, hoping it goes back and I hit the 3K daily loss and then you got a blown account. I'm glad they did that. It gives you a chance to survive, live to trade another day. Like I said before, it makes you think about what you did. Think about what you did, like you're in timeout, and go back so you don't do it again. But all right, guys, I gotta cut it here because I got an appointment to get to. It was, as always, it was great trading with you guys. All the risk managers in the chat here, calling out levels. We love to see green days. But hey, the red days do happen. But we just gotta push forward and trade again. Live to trade again the next day, right?
Yep.
This is NQ price action that I like. Even though it's still kind of slow for NQ standards, but at least we got big moves. At least we got big moves that did happen. So she's not perfect yet. She's not perfect, but she's getting back to her old ways, which I'm enjoying. So yeah.
Okay. All right. You know how we ended. We like to, at least I like to talk about, levels to look out for. I still believe this gets to 815, maybe 810, but 815.
Right. That's
If,
VWAP area. For those of y'all who don't have VWAP, that's VWAP area right there.
and honestly, it's the coincidence that VWAP is there. I chose 815 in that area because it's the underbelly of that range that was created earlier around at 7:30 in the morning. That's the level where it broke. It broke 815 area. So the underbelly of that range. So like I said, 815, 810ish, 89, 815 in that range. Obviously, if you're gonna play it close, you gotta trail it close. Because I called out something and I was 4 points off. Call for 80, and this thing jumped at 85. But yeah, so I think this gets all the way to 815 before a rejection. If we reject here, I think we get a bounce around 746, 730 area. No more than 730-ish, but I think we get a bounce at that 746, 742, 740 area. I think that's where we're going to see a bounce if it does drop. But yeah, that's the levels I'm going to be looking out for, at least for right now. So
y'all see
what happens.
So I don't mean to cut you off, but I drew these. So I drew these levels on these green rectangle boxes as different like zones to look out for. Obviously we got this right here that got bought back up, but if you're looking at this on the higher time frame chart, it broke. So where were we? Obviously we broke that pre-market. We broke this zone here. Came back into it in the New York. We broke this big zone, broke through this one. Let me extend this out. 805. Broke through this one. That's technically 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 different zones we broke down through, and then we bought back up on this zone here, which I drew them at specific points on this chart, just looking at the different structures. Here's where I drew them, the beginning of them, so you can see. And then of course we got more down here, potentially, if it wants to get back to these levels. But yeah, and maybe I could probably put one right here. Yeah, let me draw that one out real quick. Oops. There it is. Where was I looking at? Oh no, I just lost my place. What was I looking at? I think I'm looking... Oh yeah, from right here to about right here. That's a bigger zone. But yeah, like I said, like I was saying, we broke through these zones. It was basically all about to see which zone was going to hold up, right? And now we're tapping into this zone, VWAP is right here, basically near this zone here, so that it could reject again from, like you said, the 800. That correlates with what we were saying, what you were saying. Um, we could see rejection up here again in this area. VWAP's right here. Um, yeah, VWAP on the higher time frame is sitting at 800, so yeah, be cautious of that. Like I said, it could extend. But yeah, these different zones that I drew, and like I said, it rejected perfectly off this one and bounced back up. So these are different levels that I look at on a higher time frame to kind of confirm these big moves. The question of the day really for me was how many zones is it going to break, or how many zones is it going to break today? And we broke through about, like I said, 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 of them. We tapped into the fifth one, but it held. The bulls held it up, and yeah, that's where we're at right now. Go ahead and extend this out. Extend these.
Yeah, I think we can get that. Yeah, I think that's probably what's gonna happen. I think that's what's probably gonna happen. I guess I have to just trust crude more. I guess.
I don't
Like,
trust
dude,
crude.
I gotta
F
trust
crude,
crude.
man. FCL.
Man, it's not that I don't trust it. It's just that it just moves too slow, and it's just not worth the stress to stay in it. It's just not worth it. Unless, I mean, well, I guess what I could do. I guess I could. Okay, so I think. Okay, so here's my plan. I'm gonna probably have a dedicated account for NQ, and I'll have a dedicated account for CL because I don't want to trade both of them in the same account because I'm like how my mind works. It's I don't want to waste a try on CL. I don't want to waste it because you need all the tries in the world with NQ.
Yeah.
You need all the tries, and the try for me is at least one contract with a 27-point stop. If my 27-point stock is hit, that's a $540 loss. And if you're in a 100K account, you only got 3 more tries after that. With CL, I usually keep a 27-point stop, which is a $270, but I usually trade with 2 contracts, which would equal, obviously 540.
Mm-hmm.
So that would waste, like, I feel like that would waste a try if I'm wrong. So that's usually why if I'm trading CL in my NQ account, it's like, dude, it's not even worth it. And I'll cut a position because how slow it moves. And obviously being in NQ, time moves by a little bit faster. And then you look at the CL chart and you're like, damn, like, man, I should have stayed in it. But obviously when you take the trade, it moves so slow, you just don't know if you're right or wrong. So I think that's what I'm going to start doing. I think I'm going to start doing daily recaps on NQ and CL. Those are my 2 pieces that I like to trade. So I'm definitely going to start doing. I'm just going to get so I can have equal tries on both sides. And we'll just follow those accounts.
Yep. Alfred said, just take it level to level. Move stops with the move. Yep. That's the way to do it, man. But all right, you guys. Like I said, appreciate y'all joining. Y'all got our levels. You know what we looking at. Let's see what happens. Let's see these market makers, big money. Let's see what they do with this. Because let's see. Let me see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's 30 minutes, an hour 45. So we've been going up for an hour 45 minutes right now from the bottom. At some point, you figure the Bears will come back in and take control. But yeah, we'll see. We just gotta let this play out. I think there's not really super heavy liquidity. But yeah, I gotta go run to this appointment and get ready for it. Like I said, appreciate y'all joining the stream. Again, if you're new, like, comment, subscribe. We keep the streams up on this channel. We keep the streams up on the channel so y'all can go back and watch if you want to. Like I said, appreciate y'all joining as always. yeah, let's come back, do it again tomorrow. Stay positive, stay green. If you're still gonna continue to trade this, stay green. Don't give back your gains to NQ. You don't deserve that. Nobody deserves that. Um, or whatever instrument you're trading, don't give back the gains. Um, yeah, and I'll catch you guys tomorrow. Peace. Thanks as always. Really, really appreciate y'all joining us. Can't stress that enough. Thank you for joining. And yeah, we'll see you guys. We'll do it again tomorrow. Risk managers in the chat. We'll do it again. All right, y'all. Peace.